Alright, we here on a Saturday. Today's it's May 30th. You know what I'm saying? Almost 1:30. We here in Plainfield, New Jersey at Cedarbrook Park. And we got the car and bike show. Annual car and bike show. Got the vendors out here, got a live stage set up. Got some R&B artists gonna perform. Kumo D supposed to be here, he gonna perform. Got the food trucks here. Got Nick Nation in the house. Just waiting to see what the results is gonna be tonight. It don't matter, you right. Got the Ninja here. Got a Benz, nice Benz. Got a light. Nice Cadillac here. White walls. She's a Giants fan. Benz 2006 CLS 550. The ZX10 is nice though, I ain't gonna front. Until I started buying Indians, I had 3 Ninjas. My first Ninja was the ZX 750, black and silver Canadian edition. Then I had a ZX 11, which was burgundy. Then I went from that to a ZX14, 2006 ZX14, it's blue. Then I got a Vulcan Vacario. Then I moved on to the Indian. Been happy ever since. Nice. You got logo. Nice.
Just give me the best in the package.
White wall tires, furry steering wheel. Got another lack here with the big bird on the front. One of my favorite colors right here, Pittsburgh Steeler. .454. She's clean. Oh yeah, she's really. See, you got the little remote controls. Got here. Got a Stang 5.0. Coyote. Back-to-back Stangs. Got the drop top convertible here. I think your man that got the Mustang, he when I left my house, he was right behind me and he followed me coming around the back way.
They got the Mustang.
Yeah, when one of your boys, when we go over to Somerset, he got like a blue Mustang or something. The one that got the bike too, right? Don't he got a bike and he got a Mustang? He got a yellow bike. One of your boys, he probably over here now with the blue Mustang. He pulled in the wrong way. He had to come all the way around. Older guy, like he's Spanish or something.
Oh, George.
Don't he got a Mustang, a blue one?
Yeah, George. Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking
We were seeing him in Somerville.
Right.
Yeah, he got the Cobra.
Oh, yeah. I think that's just.
You seen his chopper though, right?
The yellow one, right? Or he got a different one.
No, I don't.
This is nice.
Yellow? No. He got
See this?
that's an M109. He got a blue.
See this Impala right here, boy. This is incredible. 6'4" Impala, SS convertible. This is all stock original. You see, this is beautiful. Look at all the leaves and stuff that they got back here from blowing.
You said what?
The back seat with all the leaves.
I know, my windshield look crazy.
I know. You can't. Nothing you can do about it.
Nothing you can do. Alan's killing it today.
This is beautiful.
Tried to dust off my car like 5 times.
Might need a mini leaf blower or something. You got leaves in the back seat. That doesn't help. Nice bike, bro.
Hey, how you doing?
All right, beautiful.
So when you walk, it's like you're walking like same thing in Times Square. It's
Right.
so many people.
Right.
Don't even fit in the sidewalk.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's a nice night. Yeah. Gorgeous bike, huh?
Very
I think
nice.
it's beautiful.
Very nice.
Just picked it up this year.
Congratulations.
I have to keep it.
Yeah, no, I'm trying to find another one. There's one up in Pennsylvania that I'm looking to grab.
Nice bike.
Like one and a half. I got this. I got my 90.
Now I have to buy another one.
Another Mustang. I seen you like that video. I seen where my man was like, take it out, take the vet out. Just don't leave it parked in the garage. I was gonna send it to you, then I seen you liked it already.
Yeah, I posted it.
Nick Nation. You know what time it is? Nick Nation. Now you got the owner right here, my man Vocal, cleaning the vet again, cleaning it out, keeping it clean.
I'm gonna get clean like I want.
See if we gonna bring him home today. He got the vet out. I brought the bike out. In 2008. Yep, that's my club brother right there. That's my road captain. He got a nice Harley. We entered in this competition before. We both came home with trophies. But he brought the vet out today, which is a wise choice. Looking clean, looking nice. Got a Nissan here. Mitsubishi right here. Hey, when you done, can you get my bike again?
It's messed up already?
Yeah. I told you I'm doing it one time only. I'm done. I'm not cleaning it no more. I'll wait till I see them come by with the clipboards, and I come back out. And then you know I got the Roadmaster. Got Sexy Red out. See what we do. See what we could get. See what it's all about today out here in